So here I have a bucket filled with water and ice. The water level is all the way to the top. So when the ice melts, it should flow over, supposedly. Because they say when the ice melts in the Antarctica and the poles, then the water level will rise. So let's see if the water flows over or not. If the water level rises, then the water will flow over and will end up in the plate. So we will see. See the water level, it's all the way to the top. Well, the ice is all molten, and as you can see, the level of the water was not raised. Otherwise it would have ended up in the tray, and the tray is dry, as you can see. There's no water there, nothing there. And the level of the water didn't change. Now you may say, so why are scientists always talking about ice melting will raise the water level of the sea? Well, they're not talking about the ice that's already on the sea, like the North Pole. The North Pole is all, it's sea, there is no land there, it's all water. So the ice that's sitting there in the North Pole, that's like here in my example, in my experiment, it's just ice, and if it melts, it doesn't change the level of the sea. So if the ice is already in the water and it melts, it will not raise the water level like in the North Pole. The North Pole is all ice sitting in the sea. So if the ice is already in the water and melts, it will not raise the water level, as you can see here in my experiment. But what the scientists are talking about is about the ice that sits on land. Most of the ice on land in the world is located at the South Pole or Antarctica and Greenland, which are mostly covered with ice. Plus all the glaciers like in Alaska. When those start to melt, then that water will end up in a river and flow into the sea. And that extra water will raise the sea level. So it's the ice on land, not the ice that's already in the sea, like in the North Pole.